Hi everybody, this is MT-ViKI Studio. Model SP102, SP104, and SP108 is 4K HDMI splitter for mirror/duplicate mode only. But today, I want to show how to set extended mode in another way. For Windows laptops, the setting is easy. Just press Win+P, select extended, and then drag your target window to the 4 monitors. Please note the content is the same on 4 monitors. For desktop computers, please make sure one additional VGA, DP or DVI port is available. First, hook up the splitter with the host PC by one HDMI cable, plug one VGA cable into PC to connect it with the monitor, and then other 4 HDMI cables to connect the splitter with other 4 monitors. Finally, please press Win+P, select extended mode, and drag your wanted windows on the 4 monitors. If you still have questions, please post Q&A for us. Thank you for watching.